In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and insert a scientific graph in Google Docs using Google Sheets. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to present data in a visually engaging way within their documents. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. Head over to docs.google.com and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you can choose to open an existing document or start fresh with a new blank one. This document is where your final graph will be displayed. Now comes a pivotal part of the process, creating the graph. Google Docs doesn't offer built-in graphing tools, so we'll be using Google Sheets for this. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to sheetsgoogle.com. Here, you'll start by creating a new blank spreadsheet. This will serve as the canvas for your data. Enter your scientific data into the spreadsheet, organizing it nicely into columns and rows. For example, you might use column A for your independent variable, such as time, and column B for your dependent variable, like temperature. Once your data is neatly arranged, go ahead and highlight the cells that hold the information you want to visualize. With your data highlighted, it's time to create the chart. Still in Google Sheets, click on Insert in the top menu and then select Chart from the drop-down. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart for you, often suggesting a line chart for scientific data, which is quite useful. This chart is highly customizable. Clicking on it opens up the chart editor where you can choose the chart type that best fits your data, whether it's line, scatter, or bar. You can also add in axis titles for clarity and customize the colors and labels to match your preferences or the theme of your document. Once your chart looks just how you want it, it's time to bring it over to your Google Docs document. Click on the chart in Google Sheets and look for the three dots in the top right corner. Click on these dots and select Copy Chart. Now switch back to your Google Docs. Click in the document where you'd like to place the graph and press Ctrl+V on a PC or CMD+V on a Mac to paste it. At this point, you'll have the option to either link your chart to the spreadsheet or paste it as a static image. Linking it means that any changes you make to the data in Sheets will be reflected in Docs, which can be quite convenient for ongoing projects. Finally, you might need to adjust the chart to fit neatly into your document. Simply click on the chart to resize or move it to your desired location. And if you make any updates to the data in your Google Sheets, remember, you can click Update on the chart toolbar in Google Docs to refresh the chart to its latest version. And that's it! Now you've successfully integrated a scientific graph into your Google Docs document using Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy charting!